how to install TrollStore or TrollStore 2 for your iOS device. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you have iOS 16, 17 or 18, you can easily install it to your iOS device. So how can you install it? If your device supports TrollStore directly, then you can install it directly, or if not working, then you need to install the IPA using an IPA signer for TrollStore. Right now, you need the IPA file of TrollStore. So go to any Telegram channel and download IPA file of TrollStore, and after installing it, just save it to your folder. Okay, then right now you need an IPA signer. As you can see there, I have FlexStore. Also here are FlexStore and Scarlet Feather. Okay, so I will recommend you to use FlexStore here. Just go there and select your IPA file from here. Just go there and choose your file. As you can see there, there is the IPA file. Wherever you have the IPA file, just locate it and just select your TrollStore on your FlexStore or any IPA signer which you are using. Right now, you can also use SiteStore. Okay, so after installing it, you can use it on your iOS device. After installing it, a profile will be downloaded to your iOS device. Just go to General, just scroll down and VPN and DNS management. Just you need to allow from here the DNS profile of TrollStore. After doing that, you can be able to use TrollStore on your iOS device. So that's basically how you can install TrollStore or TrollStore 2 for your iOS device. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.